guys!
Hi guys!
So, vertical. O kasi they don't have class on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Ay, that's not vertical. Vertical. Show them.
Mommy, you did butter pizza and you do not.
Bato, pick. Oh, you're ano, talo. Oh, you draw it. Oh, here. You draw it. Oy. Oh, sige, go. Kaya mo yan. Vertical na, oh. That's lampas na. Do it again. Ay, you're tamad naman. Oh, do it like that. Here. Okay.
Let's do butter pizza.
Oh, pick.
Pew.
Ha?
Paper.
Anong paper? Oh, bato, pick.
No paper.
Why should I use paper? No, I don't like it.
Paper.
Oh, bato, pick. Oh, tayo talo.
Paper.
Uy, you talo muna. You use muna. Hay! It's not like that. Not like that. Oh, this one. Hay! Bastos naman. Uy, bato, pick pa. Pick. Oh, you're talo.
Paper.
Talo. Oh, you do it.
Paper.
You do it nga. You do it muna. Oh, let's do it again. Pick. Oh, you're talo. Oh, you're talo. No, you finish this one muna. The teacher will be mad to you. Sachi, oh. She don't know how to write. Okay, guys, we don't know how to write. Oh, use the ruler. Like that. Here. Oh, hanggang sa blue lang. Huwag mong indiretso. Black.
What?
Yan. Tama na.
If it's mouse.
Oh, faster. Here.
It's mouse.
Here pa again. Again. Dito ka muna. Diyan muna. Palo yun na. Ay, palo yun. Sige.
Help me, mommy.
I'm helping you with the ruler na nga eh.
No, please don't help me.
Do it like that, oh. Oh, diba? It's done na. Oh, again. Second one. Ay! Hindi mo pa tapos hanggang dito sa blue, oh. Hanggang dyan sa blue. Ito pa. Hay? Hanggang sa blue, sabi ko eh. The other one here.
Ew, no. Hey, mama.
Go na. This is last na. Anak! Vertical. Pababa. Pag ganun, oh, straight line, oh, like this, oh, while you're writing there. Like that, oh, like that. Oh, hanggang doon lang. Huwag mong idiretso. Ay, may ruler na nga. Ganyan pa. Bakit pataas? Down. How's down?